going, everybody? It's Marcus with Hometown FXBG. I'm here today for a business spotlight with my buddy Richard Bibb from Goosehead Insurance. We're going to talk a little bit about, insurance. Everybody needs insurance, but there's a lot of things that we don't know, and there's a lot of different sources. Also, stick around to the end of the video. He's sponsoring a really cool giveaway. The Beach Boys are coming to town on September 26th, the Fred Nats to the new stadium. It's going to be an awesome time. And Richard, so tell me a little bit about how you got into the insurance business, why you like it so much, and then, tell us what makes you and Goosehead different than Allstate down the street.
Well, thanks, Marcus. I've been in the insurance business now a little over 3 years, and been with Goosehead now, which provides a great opportunity to combine the local presence that everybody likes to deal with the local agents who know their particular situation, but being backed by a large organization that can bring a lot to the table. Everybody needs insurance, whether you own a home, rent an apartment, or drive a car. But the question is, how do you go find the best deal among the hundreds of companies that are out there to provide insurance? It gets very, very confusing, very, very fast. Well, Goosehead, we make the process super simple, easy, and fast. We have an application you can essentially log on to, and in 5 minutes, enter your information and get quotes back from up to 20 different companies that we represent. Companies like Allstate, Nationwide, Progressive, and Travelers, and others you've heard of. So we find you the best deal to fit your particular situation.
Awesome. So speaking of this app, in the past when I've did these kind of things, my phone just started blowing up. Now, if I go on this app of yours and get my free quote, because I'm probably going to here in a little bit, I'm always trying to save money, but I want that local connection. I don't want to work with the guy in Texas. I want somebody locally I can just actually set with. So if I go there and do that, is my phone blowing up, or would you be the one to call me?
No, I'd be the one to call you. We don't sell your information to anybody, and like you said, a lot of other companies out there will send your information out, and you'll get 30 different calls in 20 minutes. No, we're not going to do that. We're only going to call you after you've completed the process, and we've helped identify what's the best company to work with. And then we're only going to call you to go through the coverages to make sure that they're appropriate for you and to finalize the process. So again, you'll only be talking to me, and you'll only be talking to me once you finalize the process and identify that you want to go forward.
Awesome. Well, that's really good stuff right there, because like we said, everybody needs insurance, and we definitely need that local guy, because insurance is confusing, man. Like, my daughter's in college, and we got pet insurance the other day, and it's all confusing. We didn't realize that you had to pay $250 before you started getting the insurance coverage, and it just wasn't explained, because she went online, kids, tried to find the best deal. Oh, it's $50 a month. It's going to be great. Well, veterinarian bill $250, and she got $70 back because she had to meet her deductible. So what's some tips and tricks that you could give everybody out there? Real estate's booming right now. We got a lot of real estate action. You got people back to school. Everybody needs to insure their kids, and everybody's got pets. I mean, what's some tips and tricks that you could offer?
Well, the key thing is just that you really have to shop. I mean, every company, while they basically offer the same types of coverages, they do it in different combinations and packages and so forth. And so it's key to work with an agent who can help navigate that, explain exactly what the coverages are, so you don't get surprised that you're only going to get $70 back on a $250 bill and things like that.
Yeah.
So we're always important to provide education to the customer and help them really understand what they're buying, so that you make sure you've got the big things covered and the little things don't become a big hassle to you. So it's key. Insurance is a legal contract between you and the insurance company, and you need somebody to help you navigate that, explain it. Believe me, they've got more lawyers than you do. So we want to make sure that you understand exactly what you're getting into.
No, I agree, and that's awesome stuff there. All right, well, look, guys, Richard mentioned that he's got this cool little app. You can get a quote in 5 minutes or less. No obligation. I probably going to do it right when we're done, because I need to save money and my insurance is up. Now, here's a good question. What about, I'm already into insurance. I pay mine quarterly, right? I run my quote through your thing, and it's a whole lot cheaper. I don't think I've ever canceled in the middle of a policy. Now, will that other insurance company refund me the difference? How does that work?
Yeah, absolutely. Almost all insurance written in the United States is written like that, so therefore you can cancel anytime during the policy, and any unearned premium, meaning any premium excess that you paid that you haven't used up yet, they have to refund to you literally within 2 weeks. So you can cancel your insurance and switch to another policy at any time during the premium term, whether it's home insurance or automobile insurance. A lot of people mistakenly assume I've got to wait till the renewal comes up to change. You don't necessarily have to do that. You can start saving money right away. And so, and that's a key thing.
I think it's a key fact
Yeah,
for
we
people
help
to know.
people understand that and help people navigate that and explain exactly what they need to do to properly cancel that and switch it over. We do it all the time.
I think that's a key thing for everybody to know because, like we just said, traditionally we think once we've paid for a quarter or we've paid for a year, because they'll give you the discount if you pay longer, right?
Right.
And traditionally we think in the back of our mind like, hey, I'm locked into this. I can't switch until it's time to renew. So that's really a good key for everybody out there that's like, man, I wonder if I could save some money. Yes, and you can get your money refunded. So essentially, you get a really good deal through this cool little quote thing of yours. The refund might get them started on, it's definitely going to go towards it, and it's going to help them.
Absolutely. And I recommend everybody, even if you're satisfied with the insurance you have and like the company you're dealing with, there's nothing to prevent you from just running a quick quote just to get a comparison to make sure that you're not overpaying. For what you're getting. There's a lot of insurance companies out there, and I can tell you, rates vary dramatically. I can quote a single-family home around here and see rates from $500 to $3,000 a year in the exact same house from different companies. So they have different appetites and quote different rates depending on which company's providing the insurance. So the only way to know whether you're getting a good deal is do comparison shopping. And literally, before that was kind of a pain in the neck to do. Now with our tool, you can do this literally in 5 minutes and get back a complete list of all the companies we represent and what their quotes would be for your home and your auto.
Awesome. All right, Richard. Well, I'll tell you what, guys, we're going to drop the link down below in the comments section. I'm going to throw a QR code on here too. You can either scan the QR code on the screen or you can hit the link down below. And everybody who requests a free, no obligation quote, no strings attached, he promises we're not selling information. You're not going to get 50 million phone calls. Just run your quote. If it is a better deal and you want to talk to Richard, you can request a call back. If not, no big deal, and you're entered to win the pair of tickets to the Beach Boys September 26th. Just go ahead and click the link below, get that free quote, and enter to win those tickets. All right, Richard, well, thanks talking to me today, and I look forward to seeing if you can save me some money. I'm going to do a quote and see what we get.
We're going to give it our best shot, and also look forward to giving those tickets out and joining whoever its lucky winner is on the 26th at the Fred Ness Park to see the Beach Boys.
It's going to be a good time. All right, and that's Marcus with Hometown FXBG, Richard Bibb with Goosehead Insurance. We're signing off for another Business Spotlight.